everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. So I have for you guys a V-part straight wig from Kriyya hair. I believe that is how you pronounce the company name, but of course I will have all of the links in the description box below if you'd like to purchase this unit or just check out the company. But like I said, I have their V-part wig here. As you can see, I just did a brief unboxing. This is the hair straight out of the box. Super silky, super smooth, no tangling, nothing like that. This hair felt amazing, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick, simple install, very minimal leave out. And so with the V-part wig, of course you're gonna do a V-part so it can look even more natural, but this is the least amount of hair that I have left out with the V-part wig, and I can say that I loved it. I went ahead and did a side part and it looked super natural, so good. I didn't know if it would work out since this V-part was for, like, you know, a middle part, but I loved the side part. I thought it was giving like quick weave sew-in vibes, so definitely go ahead and check this wig out. I love this unit. Again, I have the links in the description box below. Excuse me guys, but I have the links in the description box below if you want to check it out. And I'm not gonna overtalk it. I'm just gonna let you watch this install, check out the hair. If you have any questions for me, definitely leave them below. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds moving till the slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. No, she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how Did I just run it up before I go? Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Am I living? You send an accent. These days, no quick my niggas be blasting.